Today I am doing the first startup of my ECHO EGi 2300. You have seen the first look video of the ECHO EGi 2300 generator and inverter, but today we are actually going to start this thing up. We're going to put fuel in it, we're going to put oil in it, we're going to show you all the features that we can come out with. We're going to run this thing, we're going to put a load on it, and we're going to show you what this thing can do. We're going to show you how quiet it is or how loud it is. We are going to just give you an in-depth look at the EGi 2300. Guys, my name is Aaron, and I spent years of my life working in the retail and medical fields, and I started a lawn care business because I wanted to spend more time with my family. And now this channel is all about helping lawn care business owners become more efficient so that they have more time for family, free time, and fun. So guys, the first thing that we're gonna need to do, you gotta have oil, and the ECHO EGi comes with the first bottle of 4-cycle small engine oil, and you're gonna need gas, regular gas, and you're gonna need your generator. Now the next thing you're gonna need to do, you're gonna need to take the back door off. Bada boom, bada bing, there's the inside. The oil plug is right here. The next thing you're gonna need to do is find yourself a funnel to put the oil in the machine. The first thing you really want to do before you put the oil in is actually check and see if there's actually oil in it. This machine has oil in it already, and so the best way to do that, if you're not sure, if you look at your dipstick and you're not sure if maybe that's just residue, because I know that ECHO does run their products before they ship them out. They run every product before they ship it, and I know this because I've been to their factory, and that is exactly what they told me. So what you want to do, there's a little door right here, and that's for draining the oil for when you go to change the oil in the machine. Take that little door off, undo the dipstick here, and just tip it until oil comes out or doesn't come out. That way you know for sure. Make sure, because you don't want to overfill your oil. Okay, so that is just a little tip that I want to give you. Make sure that there is not oil already in your machine before adding oil. Okay, so if you do need to add oil, make sure you have a funnel. Make sure you have your oil. It has to be 4-cycle oil, and go from there. It should take the whole bottle. All right. I usually, if I'm going to buy oil for something like this, I typically get the exact size that I need, so I don't have to measure it out and keep some in the bottle. Okay guys, let's put some oil in. Or oil, gas. And make sure that you are using regular gas, not 2-cycle. I'm not going to fill this thing all the way up, I'm just going to put a little in. Let's see if we can fire this thing up. Alright, so this is your choke here. All the way up is choke for cold start. Then you go down here, that's run, restart, and off for storage. So we're going to go to choke for cold start. Let's start this thing up. Here's your cold cable right here. Okay guys, so here's the thing. I tried to start this thing and it wouldn't start. So I went back to the manual and I checked what it said there, and it said that it has a low oil shutoff, automatic shutoff. So when you get this machine, it may have a little bit of oil in it. Mine did. So what I did is I drained out all the oil that was in it. It wasn't much, but it was enough to make me think that there was oil in the machine, so it wouldn't start. So what I did is I drained the oil out, put the new oil in, and now we're going to try to start this thing and see what happens. And voila, there it is, guys. And it is louder at first because it's revving up to RPM. Now we're going to let it run for a little bit. And I'm telling you, that's not bad, guys. So yeah, guys, that's not loud at all. I mean, that's very quiet for a generator. We have people that run loud generators around here. You can hear them over the whole entire neighborhood. So that's really actually quite impressive. All right, guys, so here's the readout. That's the little screen. I don't know if you can see that, but it says 9:23, which is not the right time, but that's okay. It says idle on. That is without the idle on. So it is louder when it's not at idle, obviously. So let's push that. Idle is back on. And then there's an app that you can download for this generator as well. You can see the readout from the screen on the app. You can turn this thing off from the app. I haven't downloaded the app yet. All right, guys, so yes, I am running the generator in the garage. The garage door is open, but I'm going to put my blade grinder on it so that I can show you what it's doing. But right now I want to show you the app. This is the app. It shows you the fuel level and the load level, which we don't have anything on it yet. So let's put a load on it. Okay, are you guys ready for this? Let's do it. There's system overload. So it doesn't have enough power to run the blade grinder. System overload. And you can actually reset it. Of course, we're just overloading it again. So it doesn't have enough power to start up the blade grinder. That's fine. That is a big load, so I understand that. And then what happens is the whole unit will reset. So now we're back on it, and it says system overload. So you don't want to do that, but that is a big system. That's a half horse engine, so I didn't think it would run it, but hey, it's got protections in place on the generator to make sure that it doesn't hurt the generator. So now the last thing I'm going to show you is this button right here. It says stop engine. Stop engine, yes. You hold it down. And it shuts off. That is a beautiful thing. Guys, if you like videos like this, if you love equipment reviews and things like that, check out this playlist right over here. I have tons of other videos right over there, and I will see you over in one of those videos.